Welcome back to Space Sharks and a Tesla. With the Model 3 on the way, I wanted to put a wall connector in the garage. It's a Generation 3 wall connector, and I opted for the short 8-foot cable to keep things neat. I went to get 3 bids from electricians listed on the Tesla site. I think it's very important to get bids because the estimates had a very big range in price. For me, it was $500 to $2,500. CQ Electrical Solutions in Palm Beach came in with the best estimate and best customer response. They did a very clean install with a friendly crew who explained everything I needed to know. The install itself took about 90 minutes. After they were done and cleaned up, I went in to touch up the conduit with some paint. And now I'm ready to go. The car should be here in a few weeks. The good news is, I've already come up with a name for it. We'll see you next time on Space Sharks and a Tesla.